If you want to generate millions of B2B leads in minutes in any industry across the globe, any company, any industry, this is exactly what you need to do. Firstly, you need to be using a software which is known as Grow Me Organic. It's not my own software, I don't have an affiliate link with them, but it's something which I genuinely use and it's genuinely awesome. And you need to get their unlimited plan. If you go over here, you can come over to the pricing and the monthly price for the unlimited plan, the growth plan, whatever you call it. It's $99 a month. If you want access to the same at 50% off, I actually created my own marketplace called SaveBig, where you can get access like over here. You can come to Grow Me Organic, and yeah, you can just click on the link over here and you'll be taken to this platform I built, and now you can get access to the same at just $49 a month instead of $100 a month. Yeah, I basically just built out this platform so that you can build the business and life of your dreams without wasting your money. Basically allows you to save a lot of money on software costs and everything. This is a non-negotiable. If you don't have this, then it really won't work out. Yeah, anyways, once you've done that, you need to log into your Grow Me Organic account and need to go to find B2B companies. By the way, you can try this software out for free as well, but obviously there are going to be limitations on how many contacts you get. I think it's 200 contacts. So before you buy or before you like invest or something, you can try it out for free. Yeah, anyways, once you're logged into Grow Me Organic, like it's pretty simple. I don't need to teach you how to enter your email and your password. Just simply go to find B2B companies in Grow Me Organic. So I'll just click on the links. After that, like this is what the Grow Me Organic dashboard looks like. So over here in all tools, you're gonna find this thing called find B2B companies, and I just added like the direct link. So in case you don't want to like manually navigate it or something, you don't want to spend time like thinking where exactly do you find it, just simply come to this post, click on this link, and you'll be taken to this place. Now what this is it's basically a massive database of like companies across all the nations of the world, across all the different industries across the globe. So we're literally getting like 15 million plus companies over here, and from this data we're going to be extracting out the contact information of the owners. So the first thing you need to do is simply just enter the name of the country which you want to target. So like let's say if you want to find contact information of companies in the US, like let's say you're trying to find software companies, now they probably will be in like San Francisco or something like the Silicon Valley, which will be in the US. So just search for the country which you want to target. For example, United States, it can be any country. The process exactly the same. After that, simply select the industry which you want to target. For example, like let's say I want to target IT companies. I'll just scroll down below. Like there are so many different industries. You can choose any freaking industry. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be targeting IT companies. HI. So IT should be above. GHI. Let's say let's say ITES, information technology and services. I want to target like IT companies and I want to sell them something. Let's say just select the industry of the company you want to target. After that, the size of the company, how many employees should be working over there. You want to target smaller companies with just 1 to 10 employees, or people who are self-employed, or people who have like 11 to 50 employees. Like let's say you were trying to sell an AI agent to someone, and you know that it would benefit smaller businesses more than bigger companies, then you can target like smaller businesses. It's totally up to you. So just select the size of the companies you want to target. Like let's say I just want to target companies who have 11 to 50 employees. This is what I want to do. So now you can see there are literally 17,000 companies, and I can just download it right now. All you need to do is click on this create a new report button. Just simply click on it and boom, now you're here. Just give it a while. It'll take maybe like 30 to 60 seconds, might take a bit longer. Obviously there are like 16,000 contacts, so it might take a while. So now you just wait for a couple of seconds or minutes, and what I like to do is just freaking refresh it once, because a lot of the time it actually just fixes out the issue. So you just simply let it refresh and it should be done. Otherwise if it's not done, I'll just so like 17,200 companies have been, like it's just in progress. Will take a couple of seconds. I'll just pause this video and launch it when it's done. I'm not joking when I say this. I literally just paused the video and it got done. So After it has been done, this is what it looks like. It will show like download companies. Just keep on refreshing it if it's taking a while and click on this download button and you can choose the file. If you use Excel, you can download it in this. I just prefer CSV, like always preferred CSV, because you can use it in Google Sheets. Just click on download as CSV and pretty simple to do, I know. So now you have a list of a lot of companies in a particular country of a particular size in a particular industry. And these companies, like if you open up this, I'll actually just open it because it's a part of the process as well. So yeah, once you've downloaded the list, you need to go to Google Sheets, which is like a free software for opening up spreadsheets. Just click on a blank spreadsheet over here and click on file, click on open, command O, and just click on upload over here. After that, click on browse and just upload the file which you just downloaded right now. So this is the file, and it will take some time because it has like 17,000 companies. So yeah, just let it upload. So now as you can see, we have data like the name of the company, the domain, which is basically the website of the company. So like let's say I click on this. So this is the company. So I can go to the website, whatever, everything, just see like what does this freaking company do, whatever, like everything. So yeah, you now have access to the name, domain, industry of the person, like the locality, country, what year it was founded, what is the size of the company, their phone number as well, the exact employees in the company, and also the LinkedIn URL of the company. So Uplink Corporation, whatever. So now you can like I know you're wondering. So I'm like, okay, cool, I got like 17,000 freaking companies, but these are not leads because I cannot convert them. Like I cannot reach out to them. I cannot call up a random company number and expect to be contacted with the owner or something. And you're absolutely correct. So now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using this data to find the contact information of the owners or the employees who work in this company so that we can reach out to them and convert them into customers. So what you need to do is now you need to copy all the entries under the domains tab. So over here, under this, like domain, you can see a lot of different websites have been added. I want you to copy all of this. I know it does not make sense right now, but it will, I promise. So what you want to do is at one time you can do only maximum of 1,000 domains. So basically the process is we copy the domains and we give it to the software, and the software uses the website of the company to find the contact information from the database which is built inside of Grow Organic, which has around 575 million employees. So that's the process. At one time, you can do only a maximum of 1,000 websites at a time. So just scroll down below till you reach the 1,000 mark, like till you reach row number like 1,000 or something. I'll just scroll. So I've reached like the 1,000 mark. So now we just simply have to copy the first 1,000 contacts. If you have less than 1,000 companies, like let's say you got 600 companies, 674 companies, you can copy all of them. But if you have more than 1,000 contacts, you need to do this one by one, where you copy the first 1,000 contacts and then you can repeat the process for the next 1,000 contacts. And if you repeat this process 17 times, you can do this for 17,000 companies. And yeah, this is just an example. So I'll just come to like 999 or 1,000 and copy the first 1,000 domains, or basically which is the website of these companies. So I'll just simply like come over here, I'll right click and I'll click on copy, or click on the shortcut called Command C if you're on Mac, Control C if you're on Windows, and just simply copy it. Once you've done, there is a feature in Grow Organic called Find B2B Contacts. So simply just click on the link for simplicity purposes if you don't want to navigate it, and you'll be taken to this place where you can enrich domains. So it has the feature called Find Contacts from a list of companies. So over here, you just give it a name, like a list of the names. So just give any random name which you can remember. Like for example, I'll just call it first 1,000 IT company USA 11 to 50, just so that I can remember. It really does not matter what you write over here. And after that, over here where it says paste companies below, you just simply paste whatever you copied in the last step. I'll just click on like Command V. You can like right click and click on paste as well. And now all the domains have been added. And now we're going to be waiting for Grow Me Organic to enrich this data. Yeah, over here, you have this one last option which says filter your query. Now, if you click on it, it has a lot of different options. So either you can select give me maximum contacts. So this obviously takes more time because it will try to find all the employees who work in this company. So like let's say we are targeting companies who have up to 50 employees and we're trying to enrich like 1,000 of them at one time. So that is going to be like 50,000 into plus a zero. So it's almost going to try to find like 500,000 contacts at one go. So you can select this if you want the maximum number of contacts. What I really do always is, this is just my personal preference, you can do whatever you want, is I select give me only employees with a job title that contains, and I do like founder or co-founder. So now when we add, like let's say I only want to contact the founders of these companies. So I'll just enter founder and I'll click on enter on my keyboard. So now it's only going to give me people who have the word founder in their bio. If I want to target only the owner. So right now what I'm doing is I'm writing all the job titles which I want to include in the results. So I want to target people who are the founders. I want to target people who are the owners. I also want to target the co-founders. So I'll write like co-founder. I'll write co-owner. I'll write CEO as well. I'll write CMO. Like maybe CMO. No, not really. You can do like whatever. You can target like the sales manager if you're trying to sell like a sales product, SDR, whatever. So basically over here, you just write all the words which should exist in the job title of the person, which you're telling basically the software Grow Me Organic, okay, only give me contacts which have these words in the job title. And you can add unlimited job titles. So yeah, this is all you do. And once you've added the list of companies, like you have to add maximum 1,000 companies at a time. More than that, it won't allow you to do it. I'm not saying there is a limit because as you can see over here, yeah, you have like, yeah, you can see like you can export unlimited companies, you can export unlimited contacts, everything. So yeah, you can do it unlimited times, but at one go you can do a maximum of 1,000. So yes, after that you have this button called upload my list. Just simply click on it, and now what it will do is it will start enriching the data. This will take some time. It will take like maybe 1 to 2 minutes, like 30 to 120 seconds. As you can see, like 482 have already been done and we found 1700 contacts already. So I'll just pause this video for like 30-40 seconds and let it be done. So it's been around 30 to 40 seconds since I paused the video and it has been done. Also, if it's taking like a lot of time, just simply refresh it. It always fixes it. I don't know why. Like, yeah, just freaking refresh it. And after that, you can download the data. Like click on this small arrow thing next to action/download and click on download in CSV. And you're pretty much good to go. Yep, that's all you need to do. So yeah, I'll just check if I missed a particular point or not. So yeah, yeah, we're done. You can simply open this data in Google Sheets, and yeah, I'll just click on file, I'll click on open in Google Sheets and show you what the data looks like. I'll click on browse. I'll just upload the CSV file which we just downloaded right now. And that's the entire process done. So you can remove some unnecessary field as well, like you can remove email format, whatever. You see, like the first name of the person, the last name of the person, the position of the person, like founder, CEO, whatever, the location of the person, like his business email with the company domain and everything, his personal email as well, like Yahoo email, like Gmail, whatever. And you see the name of the company of the person, you see the city where the person resides at, and you also can see their personal LinkedIn profile. So if you want to do like LinkedIn outreach, that is possible as well. So let's say I wanted to send him a connection request, like owner of Impex Technologies. So all of these things are totally visible to you, and you can see the name, when the company was founded, company size, company type, company country, like all this massive data. And now you can like basically reach out to these people. You also get their phone numbers, like little phone numbers of these people. So you can use it for cold calling, SMS outreach, WhatsApp outreach, whatever you want to do with it. And yeah, that's basically the entire process of generating millions of B2B leads in freaking minutes. Now, obviously, you can like go ahead and filter out the data even more if you want to. If you want like how you can do it, if you want a tutorial on the same, just comment below this post, like just reply to this post, and I'll create a tutorial on the same, how you can like filter out this data even more to reach out to the correct people using some simple formulas in Google Sheets and using AI in everything. If you plan on using the data for outreach, you need to verify the emails before sending, because Gromi Organic has a database and data might change. Like, let's say this person switches companies and he does not even work in this business anymore. So it's possible. So you only want to be sending out emails to people who are actually the right people. Like, you need to be sending out emails to verified email addresses, because not every email over here is going to be verified, which is pretty normal. Like, no matter what software you use, it's always going to be that. This is the best and the most affordable email verification software in the world, called Mailmax. And I'm saying that because obviously I fucking built it out, but it's really freaking affordable. Like $49 a month for like 100,000 email verifications. Almost like 3 to 10 times cheaper than everything else out there. Pretty simple to use. You just go over to the dashboard, you log in, you upload the CSV file, and like let's say I'm doing this, 4,000 emails found. Just click on email verification and it'll do like the thing live in front of you. The first email was valid, the second one was valid as well, the third was invalid. So yeah, you can just do it. And this is absolutely the best software. You can try it out for free as well. And also, if you want to verify emails for free, you don't even want to pay me money for Mailmax or whatever, you can do it absolutely free of cost using Gromi Organic. And I've created an entire separate post on how you can get verified emails for free using the exact data which you just generated right now. But keep in mind, this will only give you their work emails and not their personal emails. So if you have a Gromi Organic subscription, it is free to verify emails. It is kind of like a different process, still pretty easy and simple to do, but this won't verify the Gmail addresses or their personal addresses like the Yahoo address, email, whatever. This only works for work emails. So if you do want to contact these people using their work email, you can simply click on this post over here, and I've created an entire post for free. If you're watching this on YouTube, I'll add the link to this post in the pinned comment below. So you can come over here, open this post up, and you can just go to this post. Yeah, the entire thing is over here. And that is the process of verifying these emails as well, if you want to reach out to these people. So that is how, ladies and gentlemen, folks, you generate millions of B2B leads in minutes for any freaking industry. Yeah, bye-bye, man. Take care. And in case you're wondering what to do with the other remaining domains, like you simply repeat the process like you did for the first 1000 domains. After you've done with that, you copy the next set of domains, like just freaking copy another 1000 domains and just repeat the entire process. Not very complicated, pretty simple and easy to do. Yeah, bye bye, man. If you have any questions, if you face any difficulties, just drop a comment below this or just create a post in the Outbound System channel. Bye bye.